The problem is not Netanyahu. The problem is the whole of Israeli society. If you look at the polls, about 70 to 75% in polls say there are no innocents in Gaza. No innocents.
There's nothing but children.
Yeah. The IDF, the Israeli Defense Forces, they kill children as a hobby. As a hobby.
Yeah, I've seen some videos of like how proud they are when they kill a child, and it's really...
It's a Jewish supremacist state. Because for the people of Israel, Gazans are vermin. They're garbage. They're human refuse. Every few years, they report, Netanyahu's going. Netanyahu's finished. No, he's not. And you know why? Because he's an obnoxious, narcissistic Jewish supremacist. And that's Israeli society. Obnoxious, narcissistic Jewish supremacist. When they see him, they see themselves. So there may be quarrels on this policy issue and that policy issue, but at the end of the day, they keep voting for him. And they vote for him because Netanyahu is not just the face of, he's the reality of Israeli society.